My name is Lauren Yarnell Bradshaw, and I'm going to talk to you about a simple way to make primary source connections. So that's personal connections with primary sources and your students. So an easy activity that I like to do is share a photograph or image and ask students to say, what can I see that relates to me? Do you see food, friends, clothes, objects? So looking at the image that we have here, you can see, there's people gathered around, looks like they're sharing food. Oh, maybe I share food, or this guy has some boots on. I think my brother or uncle, or I even have some boots like that. This guy looks really tired. This guy looks like he's daydreaming. I sometimes do that. I actually have some pants that are that color, things like that to make those personal connections. And this is a great closing activity. It could be a great opening activity, but asking students to specifically look for things in a primary source image that they can make personal connections with is a good way to analyze primary sources and make the content more meaningful for them. So I will bid you guys farewell. I hope that this is a good connection that you can make with your own class. And keep calm and love social studies. I will see you guys next time.